Hi, I'm Marshall. In this video, I want to teach you how to read Japanese sentences using N5 Reading Test 2. The 3 steps to read Japanese sentences. Step 1 is find out all particles in the sentence and figure out the function of every particle. And step 2 is find out all grammar rules in the sentence and figure out the meaning of every grammar rule. And step 3 is find out all words in the sentence and figure out the meaning of every word. Okay, you can pause here and try to answer this question yourself. I will explain everything later. The question is, 今の部屋はどれですか? The step 1 is to find out the particles. In this sentence, the particles are no, wa, and ka. No is used to modify something. Modifier plus no plus noun. 今の部屋 means the current room. Wa indicates the topic of this sentence. So 今の部屋 is the topic. Ka indicates a question. Because there are no grammar rules here, so you can skip step 2. And step 3, 今 means current. 部屋 means room. どれ means which. です means M is R. So 今の部屋はどれですか means which is the current room. Okay. 私の部屋にはテーブルが1つと椅子が2つと本棚が1つあります。No indicates possession. Ni indicates the location or existence of animate and inanimate things. Wa indicates the topic of this sentence. So 私の部屋に is the topic. Ga indicates the subject of a sentence when it is newly introduced. Now the new information plus ga. Here, テーブル、椅子 and 本棚 is new information. To indicates a complete list of items, means end. Because there are no grammar rules here, so you can skip step 2. Let's see step 3. 私 means I. 部屋 means room. テーブル means table. 1つ means one. 椅子 means chair. 2つ means two. 本棚 means bookshelf. あります is a platform of ある. And ある means there be, to have. So this sentence means there is a table, 2 chairs, and a bookshelf in my room. 本がたくさんありますから、もっと大きい本棚が欲しいです。The first ga indicates the subject of a sentence. Kara indicates the reason. The second ga indicates something you want. And the grammar rule here is noun plus ga plus hushi plus this means I want. Let's find out the words. Hon means book. Takusan means many. Arimasu is a platform of aru. Aru means there be, to have. Moto is an adverb, means more. Oki means big. Hondana means bookshelf. Hoshi means want. So this sentence means because there are many books, I want a bigger bookshelf. So we can say there are 4 photos here. The first one and the second one have 2 bookshelves. So the answer is 3 or 4. But the bookshelf in answer 4 is big enough, where the bookshelf in answer 3 is small. So the answer is 3. Thank you.